Good evening, guys. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
What happened? Till now, how was the weekend?
Studying only, sir. Nothing special.
Why studying always?
Sir, exams
No
are coming.
time to math. Okay, what are the portions for your examinations?
So sets, relations and functions, and in trigonometric, half
Hold
by half.
okay, half of the thing in from trigonometry. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. We are doing second exercise of the. We are doing relations. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We completed whole second exercise, madam, or still we are doing second exercise? Guys, please, we done or we are doing? We are in the middle of the second exercise. Just go back and let me know.
Sir, no, sir. We are in middle.
We are in the middle. How many numericals we done? Suprajit, how many numericals we done?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'll check my notebook.
No, I will show the screen. Are we done first 2 or 3 or something? First one we done? It's a simple. Okay, we start from beginning instead of confusion. Yeah.
Sir, actually, we have to start 2.2, sir. We didn't start.
Now, then it will be better to start. We'll try to wind up and we'll start the concept of function. It will take a little bit time to do the functions concept. Yeah. So let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and to 14. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. So I defined a relation from A to A. So he is defining a relation from A to A. 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Here also 1, 2, 3 elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. And he is defining a relation from set A to set A. What is the relation?
3x minus y is equal to 0.
Y is equal to 0. Substitute. Suppose what are the possible ordered pairs I will get? 1, 1, 1, 2, up to 1, 14 I will get. Same as 2, 1, up to 2, 14 I will get. That is 14 into 14, 196. Ordered pairs is a maximum number of ordered pairs. That is a 14 square ordered pairs will get. But out of all these ordered pairs, what are the ordered pairs will satisfy this relation? Those only mappings, correct? For that, how I can understand what are the possible solutions for this?
Sir,
Right, codomain and range. How to do this one?
sir, we can consider like 3x minus y is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to y.
3x is equals y.
Y.
So 1 is mapped to 3, correct? So
Yes, sir.
what are the possible ordered pairs for the relation? 1, 3,
1, 3, 2, 6,
2,
3,
3, 9.
4, 12. That's it.
And if I'm taking 5, for 5 there
sir,
is
if
no
it
element available.
15 is not there.
Question is important. Before going to the function, this question is important. Why this is important? You will understand there. 6 doesn't have, 1 is having mapping of 3, 2 is having a mapping of 6, and 3 is having a mapping of 9. 5 there is no mapping. 6 there is no image. Instead of saying mapping, there is no image. 7 there is no image. 8 there is no image. 9 there is no image. Up to 14 there is no image. Only 3 elements of A is having the image, and the 3 possible relations we am having here. Are you clear, guys, what I'm saying? Any confusion? What is the domain here? Domain is how much?
1, 2, and 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain? irrespective of the number of images, the whole set B in the sense the second set is called codomain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whether any element is a image of any element in A or not, whether it is 2 is not an image, 1 is also not an image, but irrespective of that, the relation is defining from which set to which set. The second set, on which set you are defining the relation, those elements are called codomain. But range is what are the, in this relation there are some mappings. What are the output of this relation, I can say, are the images of the elements of A, only images of the elements of A. That is called codomain. So how many elements are available in domain? Codomain also will get like this: 3, 6, 9 and
12.
12. That's it, right? It's domain, codomain and range. So range is a subset of codomain. It is simple. Domain, how to define? So if it is limited, you can able to define from that. I'm writing all the ordered pies. They gave the relation in condition, set builder form. I'm writing in roster form. From the roster form, it will be easy to explain the domain, codomain and range. Hope you are clear what I'm trying to say. Guys, are you clear? Any confusion?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to the next question. Madam, when is exam? Somebody told some exams is going to start in their school.
So from 12th of this month it's starting, sir.
12th of this month.
Coming Monday, sir.
Define relation R on the n natural number in such a way x comma y is equal to x plus y. Where x is a natural number less than 4 and x comma y is equal to n. Depict this relation using the roster form. Write down the domain and range. How to do this question, guys? This is the set of all natural numbers. This also set of all natural numbers. And the relation is how it is? X comma
Y
y
equals x plus y.
plus y. Y is equal to x plus y. And x is a natural number less than 4. The less than 4 means what are the elements here? 1, 2, 3 only.
1, 2, 3.
So y is not limited. X comma y belongs to natural number, and one more condition is x less than 4 and y is equal to x plus 5, and the ordered pair is x to y is related, n to n. That relation is defined on n to n, where y is equal to x plus 5 is my relation. So automatically what you will get? All natural numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Here also all natural numbers are there. But this relation is limited to only 1, 2, 3. 1 is, if I am substituting 1, I will get 6. If I am substituting 2, I will get
7.
7. If I am substituting 3, I will get 9. So the relation is
8 plus
1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma.
3,
8.
Why I can't take 4 here? If I'm taking 4, I'm violating.
Sir, 8, no, sir.
Sir, isn't it 3 comma 8?
Sorry, 3 plus 5, 3 comma 8. So if I am taking 4 is the input of the x, but x is limited to less than 4. So these are the ordered pairs for this relation. This is a roster form. Am I right? Is this roster form?
Yes, sir.
So what is the range domain? Depict the relationship using roster form. This is the roster form of the relation. Domain is how much?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Natural numbers. Domain is natural number or only 1, 2, 3?
only 1, 2.
Sir, only 1, 2, 3.
Range
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8. Guys, are you clear what I'm saying?
Sir, in this case, then the codomain is natural numbers, right?
Codomain is natural numbers. Codomain is natural numbers. Let's see. I'm going back to the definition of the domain. Let's see. What is the domain definition, guys? Anyone?
Sir, the set of first elements in ordered pairs in a relation.
Correct. You should not consider set of first elements of the ordered pair only from the relation of a set A. It is not elements of set A. Elements of set B is codomain. Set of all the second elements from the ordered pairs from the set B is called range. So keep it in mind. What are the elements are mapping to the second set? What are the elements of the first set is mapping to the second set? What are the elements are applicable for the given relation? Those elements only comes under domain. What are the output of the relation? Those elements only in the range. Irrespective of whether it is images of the first set or not, all the elements of second set is called codomain. Next one. Yeah. So anyone can solve the question number 3. What is the question number 3? Who is going to explain? Guys, please. Hamsini, can you? Can you try, Hamsini?
So first they have given A equals 1, 2, 3 and B equals 4, 6, 9. So
There is a relation.
so it will be
Set A to set B, they defined the relation, and set A elements are 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B elements are 4, 6, 9.
Sir?
Define a relation from A to B by R is equal to XY. The difference X and Y is odd. So X minus Y is odd number. How to define here? If I'm mapping to odd, even or odd natural, anything you mention? You didn't mention. I'm taking odd integer. Then I will get lot of many elements I will get. Even many elements I will get. Yes. I can take 1, 2, 4.
yes, sir.
1 minus 4 is minus 3.
1, 6.
1, 2, 6. See, odd number. How to understand odd number if many elements are there? When is the subtraction of odd integer I will get? It is a subtraction of 1 even and 1 odd, correct?
Yes, sir.
When I will get odd natural number, subtraction of two numbers, when should be odd natural numbers? It is also one even number and one odd number, but the first element should be greater than the second element. Then only we will get odd natural, correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong? What is the difference between odd integer and what odd natural?
For odd integers, the number can be negative.
So here I am considering odd integer. I am considering odd integer because they didn't mention properly. Why I can't take odd integer? So I can connect 1 to 4, 1 to 6, 1 to 9. In all the three cases, I will get the odd numbers.
Sir, how 1 to 9, sir? It will come
It
8.
will be 8, sir.
Sorry, guys. Again, 3 to 4, 3 to 6.
Sir, 2 to 9.
First, I am taking all odd numbers in the relation. 5 to 4, 5 to 6. And I am coming back even numbers. If it is even, the B set should be odd. So only one pair, that is 2 to 9. Now, what is its domain? Domain is all elements are mapped. So domain is how much?
1, 2, 3, 5.
1, 2, 3, 5. Codomain is 4, 6, 9. Range is also 4, 6, 9. But what is asking here? Write R in the roster form. So what is the R value here? 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6,
5, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6. Suppose if I am asking difference between X and Y is odd. So he didn't mention order also. That's the reason I am taking 1 comma 4. It's an odd number. 1 minus 4 is -3, 1 minus 6. But if I am saying odd natural number, what is my relation in roster form? Odd natural number.
It will be 4 comma 1, 6 comma 1.
4 comma 1, man. I am defining from A to B. How you will get 4 comma 1? 5 comma 2. There is no mapping for 5 to 2. There is no element 2 is available.
5 comma 4.
5 comma 4, sir.
Only 5 comma 4. Is there any other element? Is there any other element?
No, sir.
5 comma 4. Yeah. So careful when you are dealing the problem in examination. But if they are not mentioned, you can take your own assumption. You can proceed. They will give the full marks. Don't worry about that. Next one, fourth question. The figure shows relationship between P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form and roster form, and what is its domain and range. It clearly says the domain is 5, 6, 7. The range is 3, 4, 5, and the codomain is also 3, 4, 5. Then, how to write the set builder form? Its relation. Roster form is very simple. 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4,
7 comma 5.
Is the roster form of the relation. But set builder form, anyone? What is a common condition in all?
Sir, the difference between P and Q is 2.
Yes.
X equals y plus 2.
Yeah, the difference between P and Q is 2. X comma y. The difference between X and Y is 2.
X belongs to P and X belongs to Q.
Y belongs to Q set. That's it. So one of the simplest way of explaining in set builder form or conditional form. So it is in your own words, but the meaning should be same.
Sir, can we also write like y is equal to x minus 2?
How, man? Y is equal to x minus 2. Correct. Super. Y is equal to x minus 2. X comma y. The relation is R is equal y is equal to x minus 2. You can write like this also. X comma y such that y is equal to x minus 2 and x belongs to P, y belongs to Q. Correct?
Yes, sir.
5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 2, 5. So this is also a condition. Yeah. Anyone having any discussion over this numerical, any other alternate answer? Otherwise, I will move to the next question.
Sir, in this already in the question they gave 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, sir. If not, then we have to specify like it is less than or equal to 7.
They compulsory, they have to define set P and set Q. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Without defining the set P and set Q, you can't do the numerical. That means it's a wrong one only. They have to define. Even this also, I'm not happy about the given data. It should be properly defined. Without defining set P and set Q, or if you are feeling there is an incomplete, if you are very confident, you can define set P and set Q of your own and you can explain. See, if they are not giving this diagram, they explain the what is a set A now. See here you can see set N and defining from N to M. Define a relation on the set N x comma y where x is a natural number less than 4 and y is also natural number. That means he is defining a relation natural numbers to natural numbers. Clearly he is explaining what is a set A and what is a set B here. What I'm saying?
Okay, sir.
So compulsory they will define properly. Don't think they won't define. Yeah. What about the fifth question, please? Please set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 R be the relation on A defined by A to A only. How we can say it is defined by A to A? how you can say from the question it is defined by A to A only? Anyone?
Sir, they are
Sir,
given
because it's
A,
given
comma, B
A
belongs
and
to A.
B belongs to A.
Super. It's clearly mentioned in the conditional form or set builder form. A is belongs to A, B is also belongs to A. That means indirectly he is saying he is defining the relation from A to A such that B is exactly divisible by A. That means if I am taking all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry 4, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I will get the mappings 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6 I will get. But what are the combination? What are the ordered pairs will suitable for this condition? 1 is a number which can be divisible with any number, correct? 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. He is asking factors of the second set. 1 is a factor of the all the elements of second set. Then I can relate with all elements which will satisfy the condition. Am I right or wrong, guys?
Yes, sir.
2,
Sir, 2, 2, 2, 4, and 2, 6.
2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 1, 3 is not pairing up with 2. When it is 3,
Sir, 3 and 6.
it is 3 and 6. When it comes to 4, only 4. When it comes to 6, only 6. Correct? Am I right or wrong? 4 divide. If I am taking 4 to 1, 1 by 4 is not divisible. 2 by 4 also not divisible. 3 by 4 also not divisible. 4 by 4 can be divisible. But 6 by 4 is not divisible. But 6 by 6 only possible. Correct or not?
Yes, sir, got it.
So from here, what are the possible ordered pairs? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. See here 1 by 1 is possible, 2 by 1 is perfect division, 3 by 1 is also perfect division, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Same as 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. With 3, 3, 3, 3, 6. With 4, 4, 4. With 6, it is 6, 6. These are the possible ordered pairs which will satisfy this relation. So from here, what is the domain? Each and every element of A is participating. Domain is
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
6. Codomain is range. What is the range? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 only, no? Range also. Because each and every element of E is the image of at least one element of A. So it is image. 6 is image for 6 and some other elements also. So codomain means here range and codomain both are same only. Shall I move to the next question, guys? Anyone having any doubt in this? Please. Anyone having any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to x plus 5, where x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to do this question? What is a
Sir, here,
set A?
sir, no.
Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R. What is set A and what is set B here? We didn't define the set A and set B. Domain.
Sir, domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Domain is clearly given because all the x elements are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the relation is on real number to real numbers. So
Sir, another side it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Right. It is x comma x plus 5. That will be your y is equals x plus 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 is connected to 5. 1 is connected to 6. 2 is connected to 7. 3 is connected to 8. 4 is connected to 9. 5 is connected to 10. Here the problem is they didn't define on which set he is defining. Guys, in a minute, just a second. Complete this question using this discussion. In a minute, I will be back. Guys, anyone got the answer? Domain is what? Range is what? How we can tell the domain and range here?
So domain is 0, 1,
Domain
2,
0, 1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Domain is
So all the values of x.
X.
the values of x. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And range is, so without diagram also you can tell because he's not asking the codomain. So domain is what are the first elements of the things like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range is
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Next one. Write the relation R such that x comma x cubed where x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. We will get
2, 4.
1 is the prime number? No. 2 comma 8. 3 comma 27.
7. 5, comma 25.
5 comma 125.
Oh, sorry. 7, comma 343.
343.
3. That's also.
Below 10, how many prime numbers? Only 4 prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7. That's it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next one. 8th question. Eighth question. How to do the 8th question?
Sir, 2 to the power number of elements in A multiplied by number of elements in B.
Right.
2 power 6.
A is equal to xyz and B is equal to 1 comma 2, the number of relations from A to B. What is the condition for number of relations from A to B?
2 to the
2 to the power p.
So you have to write what are the number of ordered pairs, correct? That is the number of
A
ordered.
cross B.
What is the number of ordered pairs?
6.
6.
Number or number of ordered pairs, that is a cross product of A to B is 6. 2 into 3. So there are 6 ordered pairs available in the cross product. Within these 6 cross product, 6 elements, how many subsets you can create? Number of subsets for a cross product set is called
4.
number of relations, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer?
2 power 6.
64, sir.
Sorry?
64.
How? What is the number of subsets formula? Number of subsets. Number of subsets for a given set.
2 power the
Is it 2 power n?
Yes, sir.
So here there are 6 ordered
2
pairs.
power 6.
2 power 6. So number of relations, how we can say? 2 power a cross b. N of a cross b I can take. Please check the answer whether it is right answer or not.
64, sir.
Sorry,
64, sir.
64. Correct. 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. So 64. Yeah. Do the last question. Domain and range of the given relation and the defined. He clearly mentioned he is defining on Z to Z. He is defining on Z to Z. What is the meaning of defining on Z to Z? What is the meaning of define on Z to Z, guys?
Sir, both are integers.
Both are integers. Yeah, please. Anyone got the answer for ninth one?
Sir, both domain and range are integers.
Both the domain and range are integers. How can you give the justification for your answer? Explain to our friends.
Sir, because any integer minus any integer is an integer.
Correct. A is belongs to an integer. B is also an integer. You have to write the answer like this. So set A contains all the integers. Set B also contains all the integers. So if I am taking subtraction of two integers is always an integer. Subtraction of two integers is always an integer from the number system. So each and every element of A having a image in B. Correct. Each and every element of A is having an image in B. So the domain is all integers, even range is
Integers,
also all integers. Why range is all integers? Whatever the integer you take, compulsory it is at least subtraction of two integers answer. Suppose if I am taking 3, 6 minus 3, 9 minus n number of relations you can give. Subtraction of two numbers is 3. What are the possible numbers? You can give n relations, correct? So every number you can write the subtraction of two integers. Any integer can be written as subtraction of two integers. That one statement you have to write here. Subtraction of two integers is always an integer. That also you can write. So from here we can say the domain, each and every element of A is having at least one image. Every element of B is a image of at least one element in A. So range is also integer, domain is also integer. This is a general discussion point of view. You have to write the answer. That is a proof for the ninth question. Anyone having doubt in the ninth question before going to the last question?
Sir, can you once do and show it?
Yeah. From general number system. So A is belongs to integer, B is also belongs to integer, correct? Subtraction of two integers is always an integer. So domain is, what is the domain then? Domain is
All integers.
all integers. So domain I can write as Z. So when range comes to, when I am talking about the range, what are the elements are belongs to the relation? So any integer, so set B contains all the integers. Any integer can be written as subtraction of two integers, correct? Am I right or wrong? So my range is also integers. Suppose if I am taking 1, 2, 3, here also 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1 mapping, 1 minus 2 mapping, 1 minus 3 mapping, same as 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, is 2 minus 2, 0. It's also an integer, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that I can explain. Is 0, I can include 0 minus 0 in range. Yes, and 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 can be written as 1 minus 1. When you will get 0? 2 minus 0 is 0. Sorry, 2. It's an integer. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. It's an integer. So 0 is the part of range also. So each and every element, why it is, I can explain here. Correct or wrong? Anything wrong here? With these two statements, I can confirm what is the domain and range. Guys, anyone having any doubts? Please. Before going to the last question, I'm giving this question. I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
One more question. It's the last question. If A is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to e power x and x belongs to R and b is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x, x belongs to R, then option 1, B is a subset of A, option 2, A is a subset of B, option 3, A intersection B is a null set, option 4, it's MCQ, A union B is equal to A.
Sir, what does e power x mean?
Exponential function, e power x. E power x is, so instead of e power x, I can say 1.2 whole power x you can take. Some number power x, where e is some constant, man. Simply, got it? Positive
Sir,
constant.
so e can belong to real numbers?
No, only positive real numbers.
Okay, sir.
Let's see what is the graph of e power x. Based on that, I can define. Just 1 minute. Yeah, E is only positive. I will give the E value. Just hold on a minute. Based on that, it will be very small value. It's not very much big value. will come in logarithms. For CPC students, log won't come, sorry. But in exam, they won't give, guys. You have to understand what is the E value. Yeah. Now clear? What is the E value? I'm defining a E value. Yes, carry on. Yes, I'm giving 2 to 3 minutes time. It will use the how to think the question in case of MCQs. If you people having the like mindset after 10 standard MCQs, you can able to do easily, but 11th and 12th MCQs is not so easy as you expected. Yes.
Sir, I think it's option 2, sir.
Okay, one answer is
Yes,
option.
sir.
One answer is option 2. Second person also gave option 2. Next, still, I will give 2 more minutes time. Usually for MCQ, you will get a time of 50 seconds. At the end of the +2, that means if you are writing the exams of board exams of +2, by the December in +2, like if you are going to write 23 board exams, am I right, guys? 23 only, now you are going to write the board exam. Students,
Yes, sir.
by 23 means 22 December, you have to get the speed of one MCQ or one fill in the blanks. You are having the ability to complete within 50 seconds.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Okay. Still, next. Only 3 answers, guys, please. Guys, Srinidhi, Sarvesh, many are there, but only 3 people responded. Kirtana, Madhumita. Navya, please. Raghav, both up. Sri Sai Raghav. Vaishnavi. Please, guys. Guys, some response, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. I'm unable to think something.
Yeah, and sir, option 2 only, sir, because B contains all the rational numbers since they gave us y is equal
A
to
is a relation. Don't confuse. A is not a set. A is a relation. B is also a relation.
Ah, yes, sir, that's what, sir. So y and x both will be equal, like the domain and codomain will be equal.
Yeah. Let's see. Answer is third option. This is answer.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you how to approach. See here, solution is not important. The method, the discussion to approach a numerical is important. general point of view, many people will feel like sets and relations easy for both point of view, but there is a chance of twisting the questions here. See, what is the logic here? Sir, I didn't get how to engage this question, I didn't get, but you know the concept of sets, correct? Guys, please respond, everyone. I am feeling this is little important discussion for you people to answer a little bit higher standard questions. What is meant by B is a subset of A? Anyone? Anyone, please. What is meant by B is subset of A?
Sir, like all the elements, like the A contains some of the elements of B.
Everything of B, correct? What is B? Some sample you can write now. It is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1.1, 1.1. If it is 4, 4, and so on. I can write infinity ordered pairs in B, correct? Guys, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Correct or wrong? If I am keeping 2.7, I will get 2.7. Now, so each and every element of B is available in A. Is it possible? If I am taking 2.7 whole power m1, I am getting 2.7, but I am not getting 1.1. You never get 1.1, you never get 2.2, you never get 3.3. Then how you can, this answer is wrong. This is one method of solving the question. If I don't know the procedure, I will take each and everything and I will prove which is correct and which is wrong. So this is wrong, correct? Am I right or wrong, guys? Is it clear what I am trying to say?
So can you repeat?
See, what is the meaning of these are the different multiples ordered pairs? Am I right? 1 mapping with 1, 2 mapping with 2, 3 mapping with 3, 4 mapping with 4, 5 mapping with 5, or 2.7 will map with 2.7 only, because y should be equal to x is the relation of B, correct? Condition of B.
Yes, sir.
So if I am taking B is a subset of A, that means if I am taking 1, 1 is belongs to relation A, is it possible? E power 1 is how much?
2.7.
So 1 should be mapped with 2.7 according to A. 1, 1 is not possible in A relation. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Never get 1, 1 in A relation. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Then first statement I can consider as wrong, because one combination is also proving wrong, then that relation should be wrong, correct?
Yes,
Still
sir.
confusing, guys?
No,
See,
sir, got it, sir.
I'm taking B is a subset of A, means each and every element of B should be available in A, correct? I'm taking 1, 1 is an element which is belongs to B, but 1, 1 is not belongs to A. So automatically B is not a subset of A. Is it clear why first one is wrong? Guys, please, I'm waiting for your reply. If you're not replying, guys, I don't want to introduce these kind of numericals. It is for your best thing only I'm introducing these numericals. Everyone, please, I'm expecting reply from everyone. Sarvesh, Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I'm going to the second. When you can say A is a subset of B, I'm taking particular elements. I'm taking x is 0 in set A. So what will get 2.7 comma 0. 2.7 power x is how much? Sorry. If x is 0, what is your output? 1. If x is 1, your output is 2.7. Is 1 comma 2.7 can be belongs to 1 comma 2.7 is belongs to A, but for 1 you will get only 1. You never get 2.7 for B. 1 comma 2.7 does not belongs to B. So I can say the second is also wrong statement.
Sir, why, sir? 2.7, it is also a rational number.
Okay, correct. But what is the relation B? 1 should map with 1. 2 should map with 2. 3 should map with 3.
Sir, then it can also be 2.7, which can match with 2.7.
Yes, 2.7 can map with 2.7, but 2.7 power 2.7 is not 2.7 now. If I am substituting 2.7 for the relation A, 2.7 power 2.7 is how much?
Okay, sir, I got it.
Guys, nice logic is in this question. Might be you will confuse how he is confusing. Understand what I'm saying? Got it? What is the logic?
Yes, sir, that same order
Yes, sir.
pair we want.
Suppose if I'm taking relation A is 2.7 power x. If x is 1, my y is 2.7. If x is 0, my y is 1. So I'm getting 1 comma 2.7, 0 comma 1. But these are all not belongs to set B. That's the reason B is not A is not a subset of B, correct? I don't know whether 3 is answer or not, but I'm going to the fourth. A union B is A. What is it meaning? When A union B is A?
Sir, when B is null, sir.
If first one is satisfied, then only fourth will be correct, correct?
Yes, sir.
If B is a subset of A, then only I will get A union B is A. A union B is A is what? This is A and this must be B. Then only A union B is A. But B is not at all subset of A. This itself wrong, then how we can say fourth statement is correct? So this is also wrong statement. Remaining statement is 3. How I can prove the third statement is true? It's very simple. A number power a number will never equal to, suppose if I am taking a power n, where n is a real number, I never get a. Am I right? Is it possible you will get a? At what number you will get a? A power 1 is a. That means your n is 1, but answer is a. Sorry guys. A power n will never get n. Is there any exponent which will use the exponent value? You take any number, power some x power 1, x power 2, x power 3. Can you frame any numbers in such a way?
Sir, 1 power 1 is 1, sir.
1 power 1 is 1. But here our relation is 2.7 power x. Any value of x, I will get x here. Any value of x, I will get x here. For what is the possible value of x, I will get x here. Understand what I'm saying? If I'm taking 1 power 1, 1. In this case, I am getting. But if instead of 1, if I'm having 2.7, is there any possible value other than 1? A number power some real number is equal to the power value. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
But what is the relation B says? What is your input? That is only your output. X is equal to y. But there is no Cartesian product available in such a way. 2.7 power something will be equal to the same number. That means your input and output also should be same for the second relation. But first relation, there is no relation available in such a way your input and output should be same. So automatically there is no common Cartesian products. So there is no common ordered pairs. There is no common ordered pair means, what is that meaning? Guys, please, what is that meaning? Intersection of the two sets will be null set. So this is how we can able to discuss.
Okay, sir.
So it's very logical. Most of the things should go in mind based on your practice. Is it clear? What kind of questions you have to choose? Because if you choose the books, 80% of the questions from the relations and functions, it will be like that. But there are few questions really will challenging you, will give the nice thinking, nice work, nice exercise to your brain in relations and functions. The easiest topic, the toughest topic, both I can choose as the relations and functions only. You can think and you can expose to any level. It's your wish. There is no limitations in this. Shall I wind up the session? Next class, we are going to discuss functions and different kind of graphs, range and domain of the function, difference between relations and function. We will wind up the sessions. Shall I close the session? I can give at least 5 to 10 numericals of this kind after end of the functions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be like at least you can, but my intention is only to think out of the box. It is not making you to lack of confidence. Like, don't disgrace by seeing these questions. It's only part of the practice. I'm telling you, because different kind of students are available. If you feel it is beyond your, just leave it. Don't think too much. Who wants, they can take up as a challenge and complete. I'm not going to ask you who completed, who not completed. Just for your practice, I'm saying. Okay, shall I wind up the session, guys?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.